Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq. If you're looking for high-paying support jobs that you can do from home, you are in the right place. These companies are hiring right now, so make sure you stay until the end. You don't want to miss these opportunities. Our first two roles come from Cardinal Health. Both are member support specialists. They are full-time remote roles. So what you will do in this position, you will handle inbound calls and resolve non-clinical member questions, assist with scheduling, coverage, and other member support needs. You will troubleshoot issues and work with internal teams when escalation is needed. You will navigate multiple systems while document member interactions, as well as provide professional, empathetic customer service in a high volume environment. You must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see experience in behavioral health or healthcare experience at least 1 year. Strong communication, multitasking, and problem solving skills is a plus as well. For this role, it does pay $21, ending at $23, which all depends on your location and experience. So this role is a full-time role, which would be Monday through Friday, through the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You must be available to work. So for the second position, it is still the member support specialist. All requirements and responsibilities will be the same. It's just that this is a part-time position and it's expected to last at least for 2 months. So the schedule for this role will be 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So they both pay $21 up to $23, which all depends on location and experience. One is just full-time and one is part-time. So if you're interested in the member support specialist with Cardinal Health, both links will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Labcorp as a customer service support representative. This is a full-time remote role. The schedule is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Training hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what you would do in this role, you will handle about 80 plus inbound calls from patients, doctor's office, or private insurance carriers. You will answer patient billing questions and resolve account concerns. You will also set up payment plans for outstanding balances, as well as research billing issues using multiple systems. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 1 year of customer service, and they would like to see experience in a high volume call center experience is preferred. It is not required. They will also like to see strong communication, organization, and computer skills. For this role, again, the schedule is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Training hours are 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The application window will close on August the 24th. The pay range starts at $17, ending at $21, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a solid entry-level healthcare remote opportunity for anyone who has that customer service background. No degree is needed. The link is in the description to apply. Our next two roles will come from Image 360. The first position is a digital resolution specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The pay starts at $20, ending at $24, which all depends on your location and experience. Again, this is 100% remote. So what you'll do in this role is respond primarily to email and web portal questions from members, providers, and brokers. You will also research and resolve healthcare benefit and claim questions, explain medical, dental benefits, and claim financial responsibility. You will handle complaints, appeals, and follow-ups, as well as assist with FSA, HSA, and HRA questions. You will document all interactions while following HIPAA requirements. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see some college, but it is not required. They would like to see 1 year of healthcare experience, customer service experience, or call center experience. This is a great choice if you want less phone time. This role is primarily written customer support through web and email portals with outbound calls only. So if you're interested in the digital resolution specialist with Image 360, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Image 360 as a care access guide. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The salary starts at $20, ending at $23, which all depends on your location and experience. Again, this is 100% remote. So what you'll do in this role is research provider availability and help members access care, as well as contact providers' offices to confirm plan acceptance and appointments. You will coordinate medical records and other healthcare logistics, negotiate out-of-network providers when needed, conduct outbound calls and document case activity, as well as resolve cases that require additional research beyond the first contact. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. Some college is a plus, it is not required. They would like to see call center experience, preferably outbound. They would like to see customer service, provider service, collections, or sales experience as well. So this is a great fit for someone who enjoy investigate problems, making calls, and helping members navigate that healthcare. No degree is required. So if you're interested in the Care Access Guide with Image 360, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from ADT as a remote customer technical support specialist. This is a remote position nationwide, so no matter where you are, you can apply. So what you'll do in this role, you will handle inbound calls from customers with alarm and home automation issues. You will also troubleshoot technical problems using guided step-by-step workflows, as well as educate customers and help resolve issues during the call. You will schedule technician visits when needed, de-escalate difficult situations while providing excellent customer service, as well as navigate multiple systems and applications. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. Technical experience is a plus but is not required. Strong troubleshooting, communication, and problem-solving skills, and they would like to see that you can type 35 words per minute. No degree is needed for this role. So the pay starts at $17 an hour, and you will reach $20 per hour after 180 days of employment based off of the incentives that you will reach. The application is due to close on September the 4th, and this role is scheduled to start October the 12th. So this is a great no degree remote opportunity if you enjoy customer service and problem solving. The link for this position will be in the description to apply. Our last role comes from Cardinal Health as a coordinator with patient access. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you'll do in this role, you will handle inbound and outbound calls from patients, caregivers, and providers. You will also process referrals and patient applications, as well as follow up with patients and resolve questions or concerns. You will enter patient information into company systems while assisting the callers, and you will help patients navigate coverage and access to medications. You will also manage patient accounts from initial contact through approval or denials. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 3 years of related experience like customer service or call center experience, and they would like to see strong communication, empathy, problem solving, and computer skills. For this role, the schedule is Monday through Friday with shifts between 7 a.m. and 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Training is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it requires camera on attendance. For this role, the pay does start at $17 and you get $25, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great opportunity. It's fully remote, equipment provided, and anyone looking to break into that healthcare industry. The link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.